In recent years, the viability of cryptocurrency has increased its standing as a digital currency, bringing on a financial revolution that has sparked plenty of interest. As today's crypto space continues to evolve, more and more options provide plentiful opportunities for impressive returns. In 2021, alternative coins have seen record-breaking surges, while offering new options to place new investments in. And just recently, Safemoon, a new hot cryptocurrency, has been gaining a lot of traction, with it showing signs of having just what it takes to be the next crypto trend. In this video, we are taking a look at how to buy Safemoon coin fast and safe. But before we jump into it, don't forget to click the like button, share, subscribe, and press that notification bell for more updates. Seen to be the future of money, the new revolution of cryptocurrency has surged well past beyond everyone's expectations. Crypto is quickly changing how we transact and is steadily being incorporated into more traditional financial institutions, making this decentralized digital currency more than a seasonal trend. Today, there are more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation and has exploded into a trillion-dollar industry that still continues to grow. And while Bitcoin, the strongest and most popular digital currency, remains at the top with a value of $1.2 trillion, the general trend for most cryptocurrencies have all been climbing up, as many of the options on the exchanges have been seeing recent impressive gains. 2021 has been a year for altcoins, or alternative coins to Bitcoin, which have carried the new trends in recent times. An example of this has been the record-breaking rise of the parody meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin, which started merely as a joke when it began in 2013, but has achieved more than 14,000% growth in the last year, surging its market capitalization to $73.62 billion. But as the hype over Dogecoin saw its incremental surges, savvy crypto investors have been taking notice of a recently launched cryptocurrency that has all the makings of being the next new thing. Safemoon. Having been launched in March 2021, Safemoon is a hot new cryptocurrency that immediately took people's notice as soon as it began trading. It started trading at less than a penny per SafeCoin Moon, with the crypto's value jumping to 1/12 of a cent before dropping back down to 1/4 of a cent, a 1,000% gain in just over 1 month, eliciting the kind of behavior that has garnered plenty of interest. Safemoon is one of the newest and fastest growing cryptocurrencies, even in a market where Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with Dogecoin, have been exhibiting record high values and growth. It's a community-driven and fair launch decentralized finance, or DeFi token that runs on its own Safemoon protocol and is the latest cryptocurrency to have claimed a spike in attention, even taking over Dogecoin as the top searched cryptocurrency. After just 1 month of trading at the end of April, there were already more than 1.5 million holders of Safemoon coins, raising its fairly new market cap to over $5.2 billion. And aside from being a DeFi token, Safemoon offers the unique feature of charging a 10% fee to anyone who sells their coins. 5% of that gets burned, while 5% gets redistributed to all other Safemoon holders, rewarding those who hang on to their tokens while discouraging sudden selling. John Caroni, the founder and CEO of Safemoon, has said that the crypto was created as a modern digital coin that would greatly benefit holders while being designed to make long-term investors richer and preventing dips when a whale decides to sell a lot of coins. The Safemoon concept revolves around the Safemoon protocol, which serves 3 main functions: reflection, liquid pool acquisition, and burn. Reflection, or static rewards, is the key feature of interest since it gives holders who hold a reward mechanism through passive rewards, meaning that holders earn by static reflection, especially when other people sell. This has raised some eyebrows, with issues being concerned that this new altcoin might be a pump and dump, a pyramid, or a Ponzi scheme, as Safemoon's structure requires it to redistribute funds from existing investors to pay new users, and constantly needs more buyers to keep the process going. This was, however, later resolved when it was announced that Safemoon had locked 54% of its liquidity until 2025, which provided the assurance that the company was taking the issues seriously. Despite the hesitations, Safemoon currently adds more than 20,000 new holders daily, and stakeholders believe that this trend will continue as they try to take Safemoon to the moon. Many potential investors even see Safemoon as having more potential than the surging Dogecoin, especially since Dogecoin has recently felt a price drop due to Elon Musk's comment on Saturday Night Live as a guest host on May 8th, with Musk jokingly calling Dogecoin a hustle, while still referring to himself as the Doge Father. Now, this drop has experts turning the Safemoon as a potential investment opportunity, with Safemoon having plenty of room to grow in value if more people invest. Experts also surmise that Safemoon's rise is similar to how Dogecoin has behaved in the last year, with the newer crypto displaying slight spikes that can lead to huge gains over time. Bullish predictions have also started to raise Safemoon's interest, with digital coin price calling for Safemoon to trade at much higher at the end of 2021, while wallet investor and investment U sees rapid price growth and calls for 300% price gains over the next year. This momentum will carry Safemoon's price to as high as 1/5 of a cent by the end of 2025. Although it is unlikely that the price will reach 1 cent, as it would require the token to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion before it could do so, the general prediction for Safemoon is to climb upwards. Currently, the total number of Safemoon tokens is 1 quadrillion. 223 trillion are held safely in the developer wallet, while the remaining 777 trillion tokens are made available to the community. Further development is also expected for this few-week-old altcoin, as more venues for exchange will be established, with Safemoon already available on Bitmart and Whitebit, while setting other exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance later within the year. Safemoon itself has also recently announced that they have raised $1 million to build their own new token exchange named Safemoon Exchange. This will only open Safemoon up to become more mainstream, which will also drive its price upward. Safemoon is also beefing up its DeFi space, utilizing its decentralized financial services options to become more high-value utility crypto. This allows smart contracts that also run on blockchain, providing decentralized peer-to-peer services such as lending, borrowing, buying, and selling of securities, among others, through a decentralized open-source network. Safemoon intends to utilize its DeFi systems further, introducing the Safemoon Roadmap, the creation of the Safemoon Wallet, the Safemoon app, and even adding games onto the platform for user entertainment. Safemoon also intends to roll out its own NFT marketplace and video game integration, as digital collectibles and non-fungible tokens are hot items, and placing them on the Safemoon platform would only lead to further coin acquisition, as the demand for these high-value digital assets are now quite massive. How to buy Safemoon coins. Since Safemoon is a fairly new coin, it's still getting onto more popular exchanges, and the process of investing in Safemoon is more involved than other cryptocurrencies. First, you'll need a Binance account to use as its decentralized exchange. PancakeSwap. All you need to do is set up an account with Binance and an email address and password, and possibly a few add-on information depending on where you live, before you are approved to begin trading. Once you have been approved to trade, it's time to purchase Binance Coin. You'll be swapping these tokens for Safemoon, so buy as much Binance Coin that you intend to invest in Safemoon. The next step is to download MetaMask or Trust Wallet. In order to use PancakeSwap, you'll need to use a software wallet that's compatible with the decentralized exchange. Trust Wallet and MetaMask are good options, but you need to enable them to work with Binance Smart Chain or BSC before using it for these tokens, as the wallet was initially made as an Ethereum wallet. Once your wallet is set up with Binance Smart Chain, you can send your BNB tokens to your wallet. These tokens can then be swapped for Binance Smart Chain compatible tokens directly from your wallet, allowing you to exchange with PancakeSwap. The last step is making your Safemoon purchase. The platform is an automated market maker, or AMM, which means that it uses algorithms to calculate token prices instead of order books. All you need to do is choose the Safemoon token, and you can swap the tokens in your wallet for Safemoon coins. PancakeSwap has relatively low transaction fees over other digital exchanges, with a transaction likely costing about $1. And if you've ever used Uniswap, then PancakeSwap would be familiar. Uniswap is the leading decentralized exchange on Ethereum, while PancakeSwap uses Binance's Smart Chain. It is important that while trends and hype may be quite bullish, Safemoon is still in its infancy, so it is too early to tell if it's headed for greatness or ruin. But to provide some perspective, Bitcoin started in 2009, while Dogecoin launched in 2013. When deciding on your investments, you should always assess your risk tolerance and act accordingly. What do you think on how to buy Safemoon coin swiftly and safely? We'd love to hear what you think, so be sure to comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more.